Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. I think we are good to go now because ma'am has also joined and many other students also have joined. So this is Adrisha Pal, and I am the HR manager of Twilight Guru. So I would take the honor to host this event today. I welcome all of you to another webinar organized by Twilight Guru, that is on menstrual hygiene, and I welcome our chief guest speaker, Dr. Dipshika Chetri. Like, we are grateful to have you with us, ma'am. So I'm just going to, without much wasting much time, I will just give a small introduction of Dipshika ma'am. Okay, so her career objective is she wants to join a reputed and growth oriented health institute in order to put her clinically acquired skills and expertise to the best possible use whilst simultaneously honing my abilities as a doctor. Okay, and she has done her internship from Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, New Delhi. Her education, she has an excellent academic background. She has done her graduation on Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Medical Science, and her schooling is from St. Joseph Convent, Kalimpong, Darjeeling, and Birla Balika Vidyapit, Pilani, Rajasthan. Okay, so it's a great honor for me to host this such an event today and welcome such a personality like Dipshika ma'am today. And I am sorry to inform everyone that our founder Malik Ahmed sir cannot join this meeting today due to some medical issues. So I am just going to host this today. Okay, I would request Dr. Dipshika ma'am to start her speech without wasting much time. And students, you are
Hello.
requested, all the participants, please do not, if you have any doubt at the end of the session, all of your doubts are going to be cleared by ma'am. So in between, please do not interrupt. It's a generous request from our side. Yes, ma'am, you are good to go. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. Is my audio clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's absolutely clear.
We are going to talk about menstrual hygiene, right? And I'm assuming that all of you are in the age group of, say, about class 8 to 12. Is it?
Yes,
Or
almost.
like, who
Almost.
am I?
Younger are also there, but
Almost.
almost.
Okay, okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Other participants, you are requested to mute yourself. Please. Except, ma'am. Please mute yourself, others.
So I'm going to begin, okay? Yeah. So menstrual hygiene, है ना? So first, let us talk about periods. All of us know what periods are. I don't know whatever age group you are. It's known as periods in English, Mahinawari in Hindi, and menstruation in a more scientific term, right? We are all aware of this term, but none of us want to discuss it loudly. We all ashamed of it, or we all feel shy of it. And I till now I fail to understand why. So today our main objective will be to know more about periods. Number one, to know how our body functions and why do we get our periods. Number two, and the most important issue that I'm going to address today is to break the stigma. मतलब हम लोगों को periods महीनावारी वगैरह से अब like at least all of you who are attending my session from today, after you go back home, किसी को भी इस वर्ड से ना शर्माना है ना. जब आप दुकान जाओगे आपको अपने पैड को न्यूज़पेपर में रैप करने की जरूरत नहीं है. I want all of you girls to feel proud that you have periods and you bleed, And I want all of you men and brothers and जो भी आप लोग हो, the male members, to be very supportive of your female members in the family, चाहे आपकी बहन हो, दीदी हो, चाचा हो, ताऊ हो, चाची हो, चाचा हो,
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am, but you are having network issue. You are not audible.
वो हम लोग का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव रहेगा. Is clear? Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Now you are audible. Now you are audible, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes. Now you are audible.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, as I said, our okay. So as I just let me know when I don't become audible,
Actually, ma'am, your network is very unstable. So,
in between, okay, because the network keeps fluctuating here. Anyway, so as I said, our main objective, number one today, is going to be about breaking the stigma surrounding periods. हम लोगों को पीरियड्स शब्द से, महीनावारी शब्द से शर्माना नहीं है, चाहे वो आप yeah, it is showing full signal here though. Anyway, that is menstrual hygiene aspect. Huh? So see, periods, why do we get periods? जैसे बहुत सारे घर पे अभी so many people घर पे ऐसा चला आ रहा है कि if you have periods don't go to the kitchen. अगर आपका महीनावारी चल रहा है तो आप मंदिर में मत जाओ. किसी किसी लोगों को तो ये भी लगता है कि अगर आपका periods हो रहा है तो आप जाके पेड़ पौधों को छुओगे तब वो भी मर जाएगा. That periods, first of all, periods is what? हम लोग के पास यूट्रस होता है. All of you girls have this organ known as uterus, okay, and grows. Men do not have it obviously. So what is periods is that जब आप लोग का यूट्रस होता है, so every month your body produces eggs, okay, and those eggs when they do not get fertilized होता है वो ऐसे shed off हो जाता है, and it is that wall which is coming out through your vagina as blood, okay, that is your period blood. So it is basically just the lining of your uterus. It is nothing else. So it is nothing impure. It just tells you, number one, that you're not pregnant, that your egg did not get fertilized. ठीक है. तो पीरियड्स होता क्या है, आपके वूम या गर्भ का जो लाइनिंग होता है, that is just shedding off. ठीक है. And that has to happen on a monthly basis. एंड वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है बिकॉज पीरियड्स तभी होते हैं जब आपके बॉडी के सारे केमिकल्स, हार्मोन्स वगैरह दे वर्क इन टैंडम एंड एवरीथिंग इज वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली, तभी आप लोगों की पीरियड्स होते हैं. एंड सो द नॉर्मल, देन नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू कि कब कब पीरियड्स होना नॉर्मल है, कितना होना नॉर्मल है. एंड स्पेशली गर्ल्स, ऑल ऑफ यू लिसन प्रॉपर्ली, बिकॉज अगर आपका पीरियड्स इस नॉर्मल से बाहर है तो आपको डॉक्टर को दिखाना चाहिए या आपको किसी को कंसल्ट करना चाहिए. ठीक है. So periods are something जो ideally अगर आप परफेक्ट सिचुएशन में देखो तो एवरी 28 डेज आपका पीरियड स्टार्ट होना चाहिए. लेकिन मेडिकल साइंस में कोई भी चीज फिक्स चीज के लिए नहीं होती. सो देयर इज ऑलवेज अ रेंज. सो इट कैन बी बिटवीन 28 to 35 days. So between 28 to 35 days you bleed. हाँ, every 20. So you can say on an average monthly basis. ठीक है. और जब आपका पीरियड स्टार्ट होता है तो कितनी डेज के लिए होता है? See, normal is around 4, but then 3 to 7 days be it's okay. Huh? And then how heavy it should be, that is a very subjective concept. मतलब ये कंफर्म नहीं है और ये ये किसी के लिए फिक्स नहीं है कि कितना ब्लीड होना किसके लिए कितना नॉर्मल है. वो इसलिए हम उस पे एक कोई बार नहीं लगा सकते. ठीक है. एंड दीज थ्री आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. एंड उसके बाद पीरियड्स में क्या क्या चीजें होना नॉर्मल है. एक तो नंबर वन, बहुत सारे सिम्टम्स होते हैं ठीक है, बिकॉज आपके बॉडी का पूरा एक ऑर्गन का लेयर ऐसे निकल के जा रहा है आपके वजाइना से। और फिर क्या क्या चीजें होती है, एक तो आप लोगों को पेट दर्द हो सकता है लड़कियों को, ठीक है, दोज आर नोन एज पीरियड क्रैम्प्स और डिसमेनोरिया इन अ मोर साइंटिफिक टर्म, बट यू कैन कॉल इट पीरियड क्रैम्प्स। इट्स अ वेरी नॉर्मल थिंग टू हैपन, आपको एकदम ऐसे जकड़ने वाला, यू गेट क्रैम्पिंग पेन इन योर स्टमक। सम ऑफ यू माइट फील वेरी लेथार्जिक, आप लोगों को बहुत थकान महसूस हो सकता है, कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता किसी को बहुत मूड स्विंग्स होता है, बिना मतलब का रोना आता है, ठीक है, दैट हैज अ टर्म, इट इज नोन एज पीएमएस, प्री मेंस्ट्रुअल सिंड्रोम। इट इज वेरी नॉर्मल कि आपके पीरियड्स के कुछ दिन पहले या पीरियड्स के दौरान आपका मूड बहुत खराब हो, ठीक है। इवन लाइक यू नो कभी कभी तो इतना हद तक खराब हो जाता है कि लोगों को एंटी डिप्रेसेंट्स, यू नो, साइकेट्रिक हेल्प वगैरह भी लेना पड़ता है। सो व्हाट आई वुड वांट टू टेल यू इज बिफोर एनीथिंग ना, बी काइंड टू योरसेल्फ ड्यूरिंग दोज डेज। आपको कोई जरूरत नहीं है कि दिखाने के लिए कि मैं इतनी ताकतवर हूँ, मैं लड़की हूँ, मैं किसी से कम नहीं हूँ, तो मुझे रेस्ट नहीं चाहिए। इट्स ओके टू रेस्ट एट दैट टाइम, ओके। एंड अभी नाउ इवन कंपनीज, Zomato is the first company in India who has started giving women period leaves. तो ये अभी नेशनल लेवल पे डिबेट वगैरह चल रही है, लेकिन इन द कमिंग 5 to 10 years I am positive and I am expecting that we will get period. Okay, so that is about the general knowledge about periods. And the other thing is I am going to repeat it again, that period blood is not impure, and I will repeat it more than 10 times in my entire talk, okay, because लोगों को समझ नहीं आती ये बात. In fact, it is the only blood that does not come out of violence, है ना. सो आप पीरियड्स के टाइम पे मंदिर जा सकते हो, ऐसा कोई कहीं भी हमारे बुक्स में, शास्त्र में, आई एम अ वेरी रिलीजियस पर्सन, ओके, आई रीड अ लॉट ऑफ स्पिरिचुअल एंड रिलीजियस बुक्स, इट इज नॉट रिटन एनीवेयर दैट यू कैन नॉट एंटर प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप पीरियड्स के दौरान. तो आप जा सकते हो, आप किचन में जा सकते हो, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप प्लांट्स छू सकते हो, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो पीरियड्स के टाइम पे. डू नॉट लेट एनीबडी, इवन योर ओन पेरेंट्स, पुट एनी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑन यू बेस्ड ऑन योर पीरियड्स, ठीक है. मैं ये भी आपको बताना चाहूंगी कि ये कॉन्सेप्ट कहाँ से आया. पहले पहले क्या होता था कि देयर वर नो पैड्स, राइट नाउ व्हाट डू वी यूज व्हेन वी गेट पीरियड्स. हम लोग पैड्स लगाते हैं, सैनिटरी नैपकिन्स लगाते हैं, या टैम्पॉन्स, यू नो, देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स. तो बहुत साल पहले तो ये सब नहीं था. सो यू नो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इट वाज अ हाइजीनिक कंसर्न कि देयर वाज नथिंग टू होल्ड योर ब्लड इनसाइड योर बॉडी, सो इट वाज preferred कि you stay in one room. But right now it is not like that. We have so many different things and so many solutions to the problem. So these all things stemmed out from those ekdam old age beliefs, and I expect कि at least your generation, the ones who are attending this talk, will break this stigma. आप लोगों को periods का concept एकदम normalize करना है, okay. You know, even जब आप दुकान में भी जाते हो पैड खरीदने के लिए, कोई भी मतलब 90% ऑफ द पीपल बहुत थोड़ा धीरे आवाज में बोलते हैं कि भैया पैड चाहिए. नोबडी इज, वो लोग क्या करते हैं कि आपको एक प्लास्टिक में रैप करके देंगे एकदम छुपा के. So there is no need to feel shy. Come on, it's a normal body phenomena. You bleed every month, so you go and purchase it. Okay? आपको शर्माना नहीं है, काले प्लास्टिक में छुपा के ऐसे लेके नहीं जाना है. आपको शर्माना क्यों है, right? Especially the girls, I want you to be very, very empowered. So that is we are going to talk about is the hygiene aspect, which is very important. So periods ke time pe first, before the hygiene, I'm going to talk about the nutrition. It's very common, like around 80% of them will experience fatigue, tiredness. बहुत सारे लोगों को थकान महसूस होगा, मूड खराब होगा, जैसे मैंने बताया है. तो उस दौरान I would advise कि all of you have a very healthy diet, है ना. और यू नो उस टाइम क्रेविंग्स बहुत होते हैं बिकॉज योर बॉडी इज लो ऑन एनर्जी एट दैट टाइम, सो यू क्रेव अ लॉट ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स यानी शुगर. So you crave a lot of unhealthy food, junk food, okay. So you know you should keep a tab on that. To address करना, it is completely okay. आप खा सकते हो, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप बस अनहेल्दी चीज खाते जाओ और जब आपके बॉडी को न्यूट्रिशन की सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत हो और आप उसको न्यूट्रिशन मत दो. सो उस टाइम पे खाना अच्छा खाना चाहिए. आई कैन सी सम वेरी यंग गर्ल्स ऑल्सो हियर. सो यू नो, अगर आप लोग, आपको पता है कि आपकी मम्मी के पीरियड्स हो रहे हैं, तो आप उनके खाने का ध्यान रखो, उनको बोलो कि आप अच्छा खाना खाओ इस टाइम, उनको आराम करने को बोलो, राइट. एंड द अदर थिंग इज, you know, at that time, I would also advise good rest, good sleep. अच्छे से सोना भी बहुत important है. And the most important thing is you should wear good pads. Okay, pad मतलब sanitary napkin, है ना? All of us know that. There are many other options also. There are tampons and all that. And pads को ना, you should change it regularly. Regularly in the sense, दिन में minimum at least 4 times, irrespective of आपका कितना bleeding हो रहा है, you have to change your pads at least 4 times. ठीक है? बिकॉज अगर आप नहीं करते हो, जो आपका ब्लड होता है, वो उसमें क्या होता है कि बहुत जल्दी बैक्टीरिया ग्रो कर जाता है. तो आप उसको लगाए रखोगे तो यू गेट, देयर इज अ वेरी इंक्रीज चांस ऑफ हैविंग इन्फेक्शंस. ओके, सो यू शुड चेंज योर पैड मिनिमम 4 times a day, है ना? दैट इज, yes, Prasanna Bora, what you're saying is just, some people use the word parampara and say that we should not go to the temple, kitchen, and other places. All this, no, of course, Prasanna, they are not at all correct. That is what I'm emphasizing on. And every culture has this restriction, okay? And especially, I think I'm a Hindu, but I think it's maximum in my own culture. And I've been fighting it tooth and nail in my own home. तो अगर आपको अब तो आपको पता है ना कि periods क्यों हो रहा है, तो अब आपको अगर कोई बोलेगा कि परंपरा है इसलिए आप नहीं जा सकते हो, तो आप उसको, उनको रीजन समझाओ कि ऐसा ऐसा है, मैं एक लड़की हूँ, मेरे पास यूट्रस है, दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई इज हैपनिंग, एंड दिस इज साइंस, एंड यू कैन नॉट डिस्क्रिमिनेट मी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ माई जेंडर. ओके, दैट इज समथिंग विच यू कैनॉट do. So you explain it, okay? And if need be, na, you should be confident, and you're a woman, and you should fight for your right, and you should enter the damn temple. So tell me one thing, there's a temple in Guwahati, it's known as Kamakhya temple, okay? So I'll tell you a very short story. So when Sati Devi, Shiva's wife, when she died in the fire, he was very sad, huh? So he kept on going and crying and disturbing the whole world. And so Vishnu and all the other gods said ki if we cut her body into different pieces and throw it everywhere, so Shiva will get peace of mind. So when they did that, उनका हर body part अलग अलग जगह में जाके गिरा था. So कामाख्या में her vagina, okay, I want you to say it out loud, vagina. You don't need to feel shy. You're a woman, you have a vagina. Okay, there's nothing to feel shy about it. It's just another organ. So Sati Devi's vagina, yani ki yoni, her private part, fell in Kamakhya, and the mandir remains closed for a month because the temple people believe that the Devi also bleeds. So what I'm trying to tell you is, even in our cultures, the so-called parampara your elders are talking about, even our gods and goddesses bleed. So there is no reason for you to be not allowed to enter a temple because you are having your periods. So you give them all these explanations, defy them. You fight for your gender. आप एक लड़की हो, आपको हमेशा ऐसे हर चीज से आपको exclusion चाहिए नहीं ना? So you go. There's no problem in that. So some people, yes, so of course, see, like you're saying, Assam mein this temple is there, and yet even the Assamese are so prejudiced. This is there everywhere, beta. But the thing is, now you are the young generations. You have to be the ones to break it. Okay, you are the ones who are getting आपके mummy and all ko, and your chachi and all your family members. They did not get this chance to get educated about this in this manner. Nobody told them all this. उनको उनकी दादी ने बोला कि नहीं जाने तो उन्होंने मान लिया. है ना? So you cannot blame them also, but now you are getting the opportunity to learn. You are getting the opportunity to know why it happens and why it should not happen. So it should be your responsibility to change this. You get it? आपको तो opportunity मिला है ना सीखने के लिए, compared to your ancestors and your elders. You are the young generation, you should feel very grateful. And you being a girl, there's this very famous quotation which says, if you educate a man, you educate one man, but if you educate a woman, you educate the whole country. You get it? So you're a woman, you'll tell it to your children, you tell it to your friends. आप लोगों का convincing power भी अच्छा होता है. आप अपने दादी को समझाओगे धीरे धीरे धीरे. It takes time. It doesn't happen in one go. But I want all of you after this, at least the ones who are present here, to fight for your right as a girl. Okay, You get it? We didn't have any rights when we came to this world. But now we have so many rights, and it's because her rights. So at least in periods wala issue, I want you all to be brave, confront everybody, and then fight for your rights, huh? Okay, another question is when we period. So yes, of course, you can see, you can go. So one question somebody has asked me is that somebody has asked that during periods can we go and play games? लेकिन ना ये कोई जनरल आंसर नहीं हो सकता. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी को बहुत ज्यादा दर्द होती है, किसी को कम थकान महसूस होती है. सो इट्स अ वेरी वेरिएबल थिंग इन एवरी ह्यूमन बॉडी. सो इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल गोइंग एंड प्लेइंग गेम्स, यू गो एंड प्ले गेम्स. there's nothing wrong in it, है ना? It is advised to rest, of course, but then if you are comfortable going and playing and doing whatever the hell you want, you can do it. It depends on your body. And if you feel like you need to rest, you rest. There is nothing, there are no set rules for periods, except that I want you to change your pads at least 4 times a day, because it leads to infections called UTI and all that, and those are very painful infections, and I don't want all of you to any of you to, God forbid, get all those infections, no? So that being said, and there's another thing that I want to discuss is that before I go on to the next topic or next segment you would like me to answer, you can send me in the chat box. I'll wait for 30 seconds, okay? Okay,
Participants, if
so
you
we are
have
going to
any
the
doubt,
next
you
section.
can ask.
So what did I tell you about? Okay, ma'am, can we touch pickles during this time? People say that the pickle is spoiled when a girl having period touches it. Oh yes, I have heard about this too. So of course you can touch pickles, you can touch plants, you can touch God's idol, you can touch anything. So why don't you all do one thing? So you keep a pickle in your room, okay, chota sa kahi bhi bottle mein. So the next time you have your period, touch it every day, and when it doesn't get spoiled, you go and show it to your parents or your mother or your father, whoever's asking you not to touch it, and tell them, see, very scientifically, I did an experiment, I touched a pickle, it did not get spoiled, so I'm good to go when I have my periods, okay? In fact, during periods, you don't need to touch anything in India. Come on, it's all this. Ma'am, I heard about ovarian tuberculosis. Something, yes, of course. I'll tell you about ovarian tuberculosis. So before you know about ovarian tuberculosis, you should know what is tuberculosis. You know what is TB? Is tuberculosis? It is caused by a bacteria known as Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which is extremely common in India. Like I think we are the world capital of tuberculosis. मतलब इतने ज़्यादा TB cases हैं इंडिया में. And the maximum TB is something, it's a bacteria, na? So it can grow in any part of your body. Okay, right from your eyes to your nose to your mouth to your lung to your liver to your cervix to your uterus to your ovaries. It can to your bones, spine. It can grow anywhere. But of course, the most common tuberculosis in India is the tuberculosis of the lungs. And how does that spread? By coughing and through air droplets, the same way how coronavirus spreads, na, is the same method. So I'll tell you a very interesting fact also. Because we are wearing masks for coronavirus everywhere, it is predicted that our TB cases will go down. It's a very epidemic issue. So ovarian tuberculosis is when the TB bacteria, it localizes in your ovaries. For those who don't know, this is the uterus. Uterus ऐसे ट्यूब आता है, यहाँ पे आपके 2 ovaries होते हैं. These are for the females, okay? Tuberculosis, okay? it's an infection, ATT treatment that you do 6 महीने और फिर 18 महीने का दवाई चलता है, and it gets better. But it's, but it's advice. Ma'am, should I go to the doctor? Ma'am, can we touch honey that say, oh my, oh, ma'am, can we touch honey? Because they say that if we will touch honey, then we will not get periods anymore. Oh my God, you can touch honey, you can eat honey, you can do anything. Your periods will start again. It's completely okay to have honey. Okay. The other one is, मैम शुड आई गो टू द डॉक्टर बिकॉज माई पीरियड स्टार्ट होने के 2-3 दिन बाद पीरियड स्टार्ट होते हैं, आई एम अ टीचर हियर, ट्वाइलाइट गुरु, 26 एज. पीरियड स्टार्ट होने के 2-3 दिन के बाद ब्लीडिंग स्टार्ट होती है, मतलब मैम कैन यू प्लीज इलैबोरेट. तो मतलब आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड कि आपका पीरियड स्टार्ट आज एक दिन होता है, 2-3 दिन गैप होने के बाद ब्लीडिंग होता है. Is that what you're trying to tell me, Himangi ma'am? Just please can you clarify? Yes, Parsi.
यस मैम, मेरे पीरियड्स जब स्टार्ट होते हैं उसके 2-3 दिन बाद
me that our and humans make mistakes and they didn't have good education to know about the truth. Yes, yeah, of course, that is what I'm telling you. Don't fault. That is what they were taught. They didn't have internet. फिर जब आपका 2-3 दिन बाद ब्लीडिंग होता है, जब आपका स्टार्ट हो, मैम कैन यू आंसर मी on my chat box, or ma'am from the person who's hosting this webinar, since you're associated, you can consult me privately about your issue. Okay, so yeah, I'm so sorry about my voice cracking. I live in the mountains, so yahan pe internet ka bahut issue rehta hai. So I think more or less we've covered everything. I know the class was supposed to be for 1 hour, but we are facing a lot of network issue, and now my network is fluctuating even more. So I'm just going to do a quick summary of everything that we've done, and then I'll do another question session. Okay, then we'll wrap it up because internet is very bad now. It's fluctuating a lot. So what all did we talk about today? Let's just recapitulate. First of all, we understood why do we get periods, and also we understood that periods are not impure. You can go to the temples, you can go to the kitchen, you can touch pickles, you can have honey, you can do whatever you want in your periods, but take good care of yourself. And know about something known as PMS. Okay, PMS. Okay, PMS means premenstrual syndrome. पीएमएस इज अ सेट ऑफ सिम्टम्स जहाँ पे आपको बहुत इरिटेशन होता है, आपको मूड खराब रहता है, आपको बिना मतलब का रोना आता है, और ये यूजुअली पीरियड्स के 2-3 दिन पहले होता है या पीरियड्स के दौरान होता है. ठीक है, एंड दिस हैपेंस बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम इन योर बॉडी, you know, your estrogen, progesterone, these are hormones. Okay, these are chemicals, they're all getting washed out of your body. So at this point in time, you know, your body is going through a lot of changes. So when you are going through a lot of changes, it takes time to adjust. So all these reflects in mood changes. So it is known as what? PMS, and it is a real thing. Abhi ke generation, they have made it a joke. Every time a woman is sad, they ask you, is it that time of the month? So if somebody mocks you on that, then I want you to, you know, tell them that you do not make fun of this. It is because of the hormonal changes happening in my body. You respect your body. Agar aapko, so I just want to tell you that, you know, sometimes you do feel depressed once in a month, you feel sad, so it's a normal thing. It's just something that happens in your body because of periods. Okay, so and but if it gets too much, then you need to get psychiatric help. There is help available for this as well. Okay, एंड वी टॉक्ड अबाउट पीरियड क्रैम्प्स, पेन जो होते हैं पीरियड्स के टाइम पे, किसी किसी को ब्रेस्ट टेंडरनेस होता है, किसी किसी को फीवर आ जाता है, यू नो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स दैट्स हैपनिंग इन योर बॉडी. बट ऑल्सो then I want you to know one more thing. You should really celebrate having periods, because you know there are lots of diseases, there are lots of sicknesses which stop your periods. Okay, and right now you're very small, you do not understand the difference, but at some point there's going to come a time in your life when you're going to want to have children. Okay, if not, if you don't want to have, also it's completely okay, huh, by the way. But if at all, if you want to, this entire process of how your egg fertilizes and your periods is a very important thing. So, I want you to understand that it's a thing to celebrate, not to feel ashamed about. You have to celebrate your periods, feel happy that your body is functioning normally. It's a sign that God gives you every month to tell you that, okay, your body is functioning properly. So instead of feeling shy and sad, feel happy and proud and feel very grateful that you have good health and your body is functioning properly, and that is why you're getting your periods. Then we talked about how, when you go to shops, you are so shy to ask about pads. From next time, at least the ones you're attending this seminar, I want you to go and ask, जैसे आप बिस्किट मांगते हो या कोई चिप्स मांगते हो, उसी टोन में पैड भी मांगना. इतना शर्मा के don't ask it in whispers. Okay, so I want you to feel confident about it because you are just addressing to your health issue. Then we talked about the various stigmas related to it, which I have talked about. Then I told you about the various normal limits of periods. When do you get your periods? Normally, आजकल 13, 14, 15 में start हो जाता है. Then also, what is the normal duration of periods and what is the normal flow. I'd asked you to change your uh, pad 4 times. And also, जब आपकी periods होते हैं ना, make sure that every time you change your pad, make sure you try to wash your vagina or your private part at that point, okay, and then make it dry at least for once. Because if you keep your private part wet now, boys and girls, be it any kind of wetness, be it normal periods wala wetness, the normal everyday wetness, it's a very good medium for bacteria to grow. तो आपके इन्फेक्शन होने के चांसेस बहुत होते हैं. So it's always advisable कि आप जैसे आपके periods हो रहे हैं, आप जितनी बार पैड चेंज कर रहे हो, आप उस एरिया को वॉश करके you're cleaning it and you're cleaning it dry, and then you're putting on your new pad. Okay, keep that area clean and dry. Change your pads regularly. And हमेशा ना एक कहीं डायरी में ना अपना पीरियड्स का डेट लिख के रखना. Make it a habit so that जब आपकी periods late हो रहे हैं, then you know that something is wrong with my cycle. Okay, always write it somewhere and you keep it, huh? Then that is it about the various menstrual hygiene aspects. And it's, if talk to your parents about it. And all of you young girls who have attended this session, I want you to please go and share whatever I've told you with your mothers and with your grandmothers. And if you're comfortable, you should definitely share it with your brothers as well. And I'm very happy that there are a few men and boys also attending this session. I'm sure you have sisters, you have mothers. Go and talk to them about it, share with them what you learned. Okay. And then I have another question saying, during the period, my stomach is aching too much. Ma'am, why? Okay, your stomach is aching too much because जब आपका uterus is shedding down, okay, this is your uterus, आपका यहाँ से wall ऐसे जा रहा है ना, वो uterus का एक lining ऐसे निकल के जा रहा है, वही आपका blood होके जा रहा है. उस टाइम में ना एक particular chemical निकालता है body, that is known as prostaglandin. Okay, so these prostaglandins cause the entire your reproductive system to contract. ठीक है. तो जब वो होता है ना, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट केमिकल नोन एज प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन्स, आपके नर्व एंडिंग्स यहाँ पे एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं, फिर यू गेट पेन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. इट्स अ नॉर्मल फिनोमेना. अगर आपको पेन बहुत दर्द हो रहा है तो आप pain killers, I cannot prescribe you here, but then you can consult any doctor, or you can consult me later, okay, and you can take painkillers during your periods if it is too much. Also, if you keep the area very warm na, aap hot bags laga lo, it helps a lot, huh? Another is, my parents say that we should not touch Tulsi plant because it's a holy plant and we should not touch holy books. No, see, Tulsi itself, she's a female. Tulsi is said to be Lord Vishnu's wife, okay, if I'm not wrong. Tulsi Ma itself, she's a female. So I think she, उनको भी कभी ना कभी तो periods हुआ होगा, तो आप बेशक तुलसी छू सकते हो, कुछ नहीं होता. मेरे घर पे है तुलसी का प्लांट और मैं रोज पानी डालती हूँ, periods हो या नहीं हो. Tulsi itself, she's a female, okay, she's known to be Vishnu's wife. So I'm sure she also got her periods. So you, even if you don't think, you go and experiment, there's no problem. Okay, you can touch holy books. I read the Gita every day. I read a number of holy books. The people who wrote our holy books are about gods and goddesses. They also had periods. Okay, and they made you. If you are such a believer, you can touch anything. I'm not going to answer any more this touch and no touch questions. Okay, I already told you, you can eat everything, you can touch everything. I really agree with you, ma'am, but I'm ashamed that I and I'm not ashamed that I bleed, but as society, our shopkeepers, when we go to buy a pad, they are behaving like okay, and every time they wrap it in black polythene. We are not ashamed of it, but why are they? I told you now, you are getting education, you are educated, you have access to so many things. Those shopkeepers, bichara, they never got any education. They have always seen their mothers hiding their pads. Nobody talks about it at home. So you are the generation that's supposed to make the changes now, and that will begin when you yourself will stop asking for pad in hushed whispers. And if he puts it in a black polythene, you question him, bhaiya aapne polythene mein kyun dala? There is no reason to hide your pad, right? You ask that shopkeeper, and you educate him. You should be the one educating him. आपको knowledge मिला है ना बेटा, knowledge should always be shared. Okay, you should always share your knowledge. You have been privileged to get education, you share it with them. Don't blame them, don't get angry with them. It's just that that is how they've been brought up, but then you have to be the ones to change them. Okay, so that is everything. Any more questions? Because my internet is really fluctuating, so think I should wrap it up. I'll just take a few more questions. Ma'am, what can we do when we have excess cramps till 4 5 days and get faint? And okay, so see, when you if your cramping is excessive now, then you can take medications. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay, and even vomiting, what you're saying, na, that's known as nausea. It's a very common symptom during periods, and there is medication for that as well. So if it's a lot, if it is hampering with your day-to-day activities, agar aap apne day-to-day, if you're not being able to go to school, or if you're not able to do your day-to-day activities, then you can take medicines for it. Isliye there's something known as medicines. Okay, so you can consult any gynecologist, they'll guide you. Okay, there's nothing wrong. There's medicine for your vomiting during periods, there's medicine for your stomach cramps, there's medicine for your mood swings. For everything there's a medicine. Okay, so when you feel that it is affecting your day-to-day activities, you can of course consult any doctor, and then you can take your medicine and get rid of it. Okay, any more questions? Sometimes blood clot comes, it's very normal. Okay, blood clot, there's no suggestion. Your periods can be in the form of free flowing blood, and there can be blood clots also, because like I said, it is your uterus ka lining that is being shed off. So uterus is what, so under, so it's in the form of flesh only, so when it's being shed off, sometimes it's in the form of blood and clots. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay, it's completely normal. So any more questions?
Participants, if you have any more question, then please feel free to ask, because as ma'am has said that her network is not that much stable, so we need to understand that. So if you have any more questions, please you feel free to ask.
Okay, so there's just one last question and then I'll wrap it up. Okay, any special diet? No, there is no special diet. What I will tell you is eat whatever you want to at that point of time, because it's very normal to have cravings, because as you age, your energy levels go down. So you crave for carbohydrates, and carbohydrates is sugar. So it's mostly junk food. So to a certain extent, you give yourself that. It's okay. You're bleeding, you're tired, it's okay. But then keep that to have a limit. Anything in excess is not good now. Then one extra special thing that I would suggest is, I would suggest all of you have pistas, the dried fruits pistas. It's very good because it has the highest iron content. You can have guavas, and you can have vitamin C, you can have lemon water. These are few special things that I can suggest, but otherwise just a normal, balanced, healthy Indian diet. And let me tell you one thing, okay? One of the reasons why our country, I mean, there are a lot of coronavirus cases in our country, but we are having less deaths, right? Do you know why? One of the reasons, there are many reasons, is that we have a very good diet. In our food, we have a little bit of carbohydrates, that is dal, we have roti, that is carbohydrates, then we have dal, which is proteins, we have greens, we have a mixture of everything. So a full plate of good ghar ka khana should be good for you. That is my special diet suggestion. Apart from that, like I told you, you can have some extra iron sources like pistachios and lemon water, vitamin C. That's about it. There's nothing so thing about it. Okay, another question, ma'am. I used to have irregular periods. Is it a problem or is it okay? I'm 13 years old. I miss periods for 2 months at max. Ma'am, what should I do for it? See, it is, you should go and consult a doctor, because missing your periods for 2 months is, it's not normal. But then there is again a solution for it. There's nothing to worry about it. It does happen sometimes, but since you've missed it for 2 months in a row, I want you to go and consult a gynecologist, and they'll run some tests and they'll see, why is it happening. And then if anything is wrong with it, everything is correctable, they will correct it. Okay. So I think that is the last question. I think I should wrap it up. Okay,
Okay.
one more. Sometimes I have too much pain. Can I take painkillers? Yes, you can take painkillers, but make sure you are taking it after consulting your doctor, because not all painkillers are good painkillers. Your doctor will assess the side effects and prescribe you accordingly. Do not take antibiotics and painkillers on your own ever. Even antibiotics, even though this is unrelated, whenever you have cough and cold fever, कोई आपको घर में बोल देता है कि आप ये दवाई ले लो, do not take it. Always consult antibiotics and painkillers with a doctor. Okay. Ma'am, is hemorrhoids problem related to periods? No, hemorrhoids, that is piles, is not at all related to periods. Okay. Okay. I think I'll wrap it up for today.
Yes,
What
actually, I think ma'am has beautifully cleared everyone's doubt. So I will take ma'am a few more minutes because it is actually it is we are really happy to have you with all of us, and
Sure, sure.
so I would just take the honor to present a small vote of thanks to you. And this certificate is awarded to Dr. Dipshika Chetri in recognition
Thank
and
you.
appreciation for her speech and instruction in the webinar on menstrual hygiene as a lead speaker organized by Twilight Guru on 10th October 2020. And the signatories are Mr. Malik Ahmed, a founder and managing director, Adrisha Pal as the HR manager, and Ms. Saloni Chaudhary as the academic head. So, and the last thing of our event is, and this certificate will be mailed to you, ma'am. Kindly accept
Thank,
this small vote of thanks from our side. And I would request
thank you.
Ms. Vinita Bose, ma'am, for the vote of thanks now.
Good evening, everyone. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a renowned success. First and foremost, I thank our special guest, ma'am, for coming and taking out a precious time for us and enlightening us with so much of knowledge and sharing us with the experience, and we are heartful thanks to Mr. to ma'am. I would thank you Twilight Guru for organizing such a eventful webinar and helping us to know and get better to our day-to-day life. And lately, I will thank to all the participants who have been here and cooperating with us to make this webinar successful. Thank you. You can leave now.
Okay,
So
so
much. Thank you so much.
we are ending
Thank you,
this
everyone.
meeting for today, and we
Thank
hope
you.
to organize much more webinars like this. So thank you. I am ending it for today. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.